Look at the baby woodpecker pecking at the sunflower stalk. This year I'm leaving my sunflowers up for the birds and the squirrels and whoever else want it. Yeah, saves me work because they didn't grow as ideally as last year. So yeah, I'll just leave it for them. But I wanted to show y'all this quick fact. But I wanted to show y'all this completed raised bed that I prepped for turnips and thyme and garlic. And yeah, I just put tomato sticks, irrigation tube, this on my raised bed, and I made it into a greenhouse with plastic. And I just added mesh because pollinators is not going to need to go in here, but I'm just keeping it open for now so I can get some